Hello, I'm Damien from Scrubbers. In this video we'll be explaining the difference between using unique Revive services or buying something off the shelf or using your local dry cleaners. Since I started doing Scrubbers, people have told me of all sorts of different things that they've used to clean the leather and textile motorcycle kit. These range from general household cleaners, soaps, baby soap, baby wipes, washing up liquid, even petrol and thinners. Some of those speak for themselves to avoid, but cleaning products like household cleaners and soaps and washing up liquid contain products like ammonia, caustic soda, salts. All those are really bad for both leather and textile. In textiles, they'll break through the weave of many different types of textile that are used in bike kit, and leather does simply dry it out. They're not tailored for that use. In video 6, if you haven't seen it, I explain in that why it's really important to look after your leathers and the multitude of different types of leather, and it's exactly the same for your textile kit. So off-the-shelf stuff that is supposed to be specifically for motorcycle textiles, a lot of these are one product that claim to do two jobs, to clean and waterproof. There just isn't one product that can do that effectively. Even if you buy the products that do them individually, these products are about £6 to £8, something like that, but they are a universal thing and they will do a £6 to £8 job. They don't take into account the different types of textile that your motorcycle garment is made from, or the high-tech coatings that are in it or behind it, perhaps in the waterproof lining inside the suit. For an example, this Furigan jacket, just on this sleeve, this section here, this is different, and then the piping's different. So there's 4 different types of material just on the arm of one jacket. Leather's very similar. Off-the-shelf products for leathers, there's lots and lots that will claim to clean and condition at the same time in one product. It's just impossible to do effectively. We've all seen them at the shows. Even the products that are sold to us to do the separate things, to clean and or condition, they're for very different types of leather. They're mainly designed for fashion, furniture and automotive industries. Again, as I've explained before, very different types of leather. It does not take into account the high-tech coatings on leathers. Some modern leathers even have ceramics bonded to the ceramic molecules bonded to the fibres of the leather, and you really don't want to be disrupting that. That's the main strength. On to dry cleaners. We at Scrubbers and our Revive services are not dry cleaners. We're nothing like them at all. Dry cleaners, again, are really designed for the fashion industry. In our Revive services, for your leathers, we don't use any chemicals at all. Everything we use is a natural product. On our textile soaps and powders that we use mild chemicals, but only things that you'll be able to pick up in your local high street. But it's the mix of these that we use that makes our products unique. All our processes are carried out entirely by hand. We don't use any machines other than in the drying process, dehumidifiers, air extractors and heaters. So even the biggest brand of dry cleaners in the UK don't offer a service anything like we do. Absolutely nothing like it at all. All the products that we use, 80% of the products that we use, I personally make, and they're tailored for your individual motorcycle garment. We don't have a one-size-fits-all product or policy for anything at all. In video 4, I explain why we do that, and in video 5 you can actually see one of our cleaners for leather being made. I always insist on top quality ingredients that go into these products, and that ensures that we get a top quality result for your bike kit. As your garments come to us, both leather and textiles are cleaned inside and out. They get a full antibacterial clean on the inside, everything including your armour, lining, everything. Leather garments we condition from the inside and the outside. That's even if your lining is stitched in as part of your garment. Our conditioner, we can make a conditioner suitable for the type of leather of your garment that will penetrate that without leaving any residue on the lining. Nobody else does that. Nobody else can do that. We make that unique. We also then apply our feed once we're happy with the conditioner, and then a protective coating. With your textiles, again, we have unique products that carry out the cleaning service, and we have a unique 3-stage waterproofing system. Each suit, whether it's textile or leather that's sent to us, will have an absolute minimum of 5 hours of time lavished on it. A minimum of 5 hours. Since I started road riding motorcycles in 1992, I started studying leather, and a couple of years later I started studying the textiles used in a motorcycle kit. And I'm constantly learning, developing, improving the products that we use, and there's always new product coming out, new textiles constantly for motorbike kits. Technology advances. Another benefit of using our Revive services are the products we apply at the end stages of our maintenance programme continue to work as you get them back. The feeds that we apply to leather will work feeding your leather for 10 to 12 months, depending on the type of leather that you've got and the type of feed that's being applied. Leathers and textiles both have a protective coating applied at the end stage. This applies a UV protector to stop the colours fading on your suit, and also a protective barrier that will allow you to wipe off detritus and your insect collection as you start to collect it over the summer. All the work that we do is tailored to your individual garment. This doesn't just keep it clean, it keeps it strong and well maintained to work on an everyday basis and for when you most need it. I use these same processes on my own personal riding kit, and I don't cut corners with yours. You may also like videos 4 and 6 in this series. Thank you for watching this one, and really look forward to helping out with your riding kit. Thanks again. Bye bye.